state witness na?
That is something that has to be communicated to the Senate President first. Kasi notwithstanding his coverage, he still has, Senate still has jurisdiction over him because of the contempt charges. But we have, and we will make that necessary request when the time comes.
Na-i-lift na at ibigay sa inyo ang custody?
Oo, nandang sabi. Kasi covered na siya ng program.
Pero by rule, by rule,
Di ba automatic, sir, yan?
dapat sa inyo.
Hindi naman automatic.
Gusto mong isabi, Sir Cesar?
Hindi automatic.
Sir,
Kanina pa naman kulit.
kukunin niyo ito
Namiss
ba
ko lang, sir.
yung custody ni Alcantara considering na under WPP na ho siya?
We need to weigh a lot of factors here, no?
Like
Diba,
what, sir?
syempre, of course, syempre yung protection ng nung witness, no?
Okay.
And to ensure na safe siya. And of course, syempre the timing of from the Senate, no? Kasi when they do adjourn, no? We need importante, diba?
Okay.
Remember, with the end objective of ensuring that the state witness is protected, that they are available when the prosecution and the state needs them
Okay.
to fully prosecute the case.
So hintayin nyo mag-adjourn muna? By January, by June?
We need to discuss it with the Senate. Diba?
Okay.
But we need to discuss it with the Senate.
Pero right now, wala pa po kayong desire to get him?
We made the request. We
Oh,
made
yeah.
the request. We're making
Meron ng
arrangements
request, sir?
already for that.
May request na kayo, sir, sa Senate leadership? Wala pang sagot, sir.
Sir, kailan nagsulat? Kailan nagsulat?
I think sometime November, December.
Ganun pa?
Parang ganun eh, kasi tawag nito dahil sa kinukonsider na nga sila sa program. So it was already requested para hindi mahirapan yung pagdala-dala sa kanila.
Tama.
But the Senate, I think, opted na dito na muna.
Okay.
Para naman kung may proceedings ng Senate committee, they would be able to make themselves.
So if they finish, BRC, pwede na sa inyo?
Oh yes, obviously.
Okay.
Pero yung binabantayan niya doon is yung when the Senate goes on recess, diba? Then that's the time that you will have probably to take custody just to ensure yung protection of the
Alright.
Sir, si Bryce, bakit hindi na-consider? Considering na ang dami rin naman yung sinunod.
For all cases or specific case, per case, no?
Consistent with our earlier press briefing,
Oo.
which was last week. Basically, we confirmed that yung applications of two witnesses, no, not only Bryce but also si
Salasali.
Engineer JP Mendoza, their application for those particular cases were declined because for those particular cases, their testimonies will no longer be necessary for the state to prosecute the cases. Remember, we take in state witnesses hindi dahil na, di ba, they just come out na guilty kami, di ba? Ang kailangan natin dito, if they help the state prosecute the cases. Remember, those initial cases were the Goose Projects. Diba? The Goose Projects. And medyo mas basic yung elements of
Sila yung highest officials kasi ng District 1 ng Bulacan. So parang it would be absurd na if you're talking about yung conspiracy doon, tatanggalin mo yung taas samantalang not necessarily because sila yung unang nagsalita at sila yung unang nag-volunteer. When there are witnesses, di ba, remember their qualifications. They should not be the most guilty. So if there is a witness who will come out and they're not the most guilty in those charges, we will consider that over and above the testimonies of those who are offering to be state witnesses.